Hi everyone and welcome back to the CADReader tutorial series. In lesson 26, we'll introduce the drawing comparison feature in CADReader. This feature is powerful for identifying differences between drawing visions, floors, or design areas. We'll cover it into two separate videos for different use cases. Let's get started. The drawing comparison feature helps you quickly compare changes between old and new drawings, making revision changing much faster and easier. First, open the two drawings you want to compare in CADReader. Next, click the Drawing Comparison tool from the toolbar. Before starting the comparison, click the color box on the right side to assign different colors to each drawing. This step is very important because using different colors helps you clearly identify the source of each difference. Once the colors are set, click Compare. CADReader will automatically analyze both drawings and display the comparison results. You'll notice that the gray area represents content that is identical in both drawings, while the colored area highlighted the differences. By checking the colors, you can easily determine whether the changes belong to the old drawing or the new version. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.